The wiring method of QD-025G has 3 live wires. A zero wire, a ground wire to see if the air pressure reaches 0.5. And then we open up. This is the control panel. This is our emergency button. This is the start button of our motor. This is the automatic stop button. This is manual delivery. This is manual feeding. This is an exit. This is manual advance and retreat. This fed sensor. It is used to adjust the cutting diameter. It will only enter the knife if the light is on. It just goes backwards. It will extend. That diameter will be the size. This is used for knife withdrawal induction. It's all marked on it. After cutting is completed. After we cut, wait a second or two. He backed away. Use this to adjust. If you pull it back, it will be delayed. The sensor is always on. If it is automatically cut, it lights up. This is used to adjust the speed of the workbench. Turn this way to slow down. Turn it this way, it's faster. The proportion of the mixture water accounts for 95%, and cutting fluid accounts for about 5%. Just add the volume of the mixture to this position. Suppose we cut this tungsten steel bar. Turn off the emergency stop button. The indicator light is on. It means that this power supply is powered on normally. Turn on the manual feeding button. Then start the motor again. This is manual feeding. It's already cutting. Explain that the cutting is complete. Retreat. Then turn off the motor. If automatic cutting is required, put this automatically. When turning on the automatic button, it won't go in. It has to be lit. Look, this only when the lights are on. Will be stabbed, so that's what we control after this is done cutting. When you need to adjust this knife retreat, it's just that we don't need it anymore. The journey should not be that long. Just use this adjustment. Suppose we change the cutting blade. First loosen these 2 screws. Then loosen this screw. After removing the screws, then lift up. This is our cutting blade. First of all, when we change this cutting blade, find these 2 wrenches. A wrench is stuck here. This is stuck. After getting stuck, use this method to get stuck here. Press down on the left hand. Right hand up. Lift this hand up. After we pack the cutting blades, this slot must be facing this slot. Put it right here. The screw holes should also be aligned here. Then lock it tightly.